forgotten lands. I want to see the universe and all of the stars. Wake up gently in your arms. I want to lead a symphony at Carnegie Hall. Wash away in thunderous applause. I wanna book a room for two on the other side of the earth with a sign, do not disturb. It's a movie, it's a scene, broken pieces of a dream, a fantasy. It's a poem of empty words, a song of borrowed chords, just make believe. Take me sink my toes into the sand. Let the sun melt away my plans. Swim beside you, race until the water's edge. You let me win again. Ride a bike beneath the trees, pushed along by an autumn breeze. Spend the afternoon everything.